success in the future. Now, it's my pleasure, I think now is right, Julie, to hand over to the Minister, the Honourable Bill McGrath, Minister for Agriculture.
Mr Tenney, Julie, Damian, and other distinguished guests. Well, thank you very much, Julie, for inviting myself around and a couple of my staff, and also my wife is down from the country tonight, and a couple hundred miles away, so she's come along as well. But, it's good to be here with you and to be associated with this venture. And of course, it is an exciting time for all those people. I think there's something like 19 people who work at the cheese factory, and of course, don't worry about the flowers. Working out there, and of course, this is an incentive for them, and also, I guess, a great sense of pride, and also will lead to a great deal of motivation if you are successful in the finals that are to be held on Friday week. Could I say to you that there are a few changes going on in Victoria at the moment. So you may have read a little bit about them in the press in recent times. You may have seen a few people walking up and down the street in recent times. But I think what we're trying to do in Victoria at the moment is really to provide the type of environment that is necessary for companies such as the Cheesecake Factory to succeed in the domestic market as well as the export market. And the things that we're doing in relation to industrial relations, in relation to work care and vital industries legislation, all of those things we would hope are going to create the environment that is going to allow the private sector to make a profit. Not only will they be able to make a profit, but they will be in a much stronger position to compete on that export market for export share. And I guess it's interesting to hear some people tell me tonight of how these new products come about. The fact that here is a dairy company at Tatura exporting cheese cream into Japan. Along comes an idea, says, well look, let's at the local level turn it into cheesecake and get some real value adding in place. Not only do we get some value adding, but we get some job opportunities for our own people. And those that are associated with that type of venture must be congratulated for not only securing those jobs, but also making sure that they are able to produce a quality product that is going to stand up to the scrutiny of the export market, particularly the Japanese market, because they are indeed very, very careful consumers. And we have something to offer out of this country, that we have the cleanest environment of any agricultural producing country in the world. And I think it's something we have to market, and market strongly against our competitors. In relation to those comments I made before about industrial relations, I took the opportunity of going to New Zealand some 3 months ago to look at the meat industry in particular. And of course they have had over there now what they call the Employment Contracts Act in place, and they have workers and management all working together very, very cooperatively to one common goal. That is to make sure that going out of their factory is a quality product. And I'm sure that we can do better, and you, as a cheesecake factory, can be setting an example and be held up as an example to other bigger companies that are trying to emulate and gain market share and quality product. And I certainly wish you every success in the final that is been so kindly sponsored by Austrade. And could I pass on my congratulations through you, Mr Tenney, to Austrade, because Austrade really does have a key role to make sure that industries and businesses such as we are saluting here tonight are given every opportunity to capture a point or a focal point in the export market. If we're going to grow as a country, then we have to do it through export earnings. It there's not much good just circulating our money here internally. We will not get growth. It is a little bit like any of us running out that it comes off you on Friday week. Thank you very much for having me.
Setting the environment. Within that environment, though, companies have to take the opportunities. They have to set the vision that they want for the future, and with all of the people who work in the company, work very hard to achieve it. And tonight recognises the effort at the Cheesecake Factory. Everyone, from management all the way through, that have put into achieving the effort. Companies don't develop up export markets simply through the efforts of one person, whether it's the person making the product or the person who has to go out and find. To convince companies about the need to get into export and then work with them through essential things like business planning and strategic planning and quality to get the fundamentals right. And then Austrade, anyone else can then have a ready-made material to work with to get into export markets and achieve the sorts of targets that we need here in Victoria and around Australia. We place a lot of emphasis in companies on encouraging the total staff of the company to work together to achieve those objectives within the company. And I think the achievements and plaque to commemorate getting into the finals. Clyde, I'll hang it with pride wherever I can see it. People often don't get recognised for their effort. People don't always get recognised for their effort, and in Australia we tend not to place a lot of emphasis on showing to everyone what we've achieved. This is a good way of doing it. Within a pride, making the finals. Best wishes for next week.
Thank you very much for the recognition here tonight, and thanks to a lot of people here, because our success has been created by people working together and thereby coming up with a result. And it starts with the people who make the cheesecakes, and they've had to endure extreme pressure and they've had to learn a lot about a different culture, and they have accommodated that, and I think that is something that's very special, and hopefully their knowledge will extend into the rest of Australia. I'd also like to extend my thanks to the support we've had from Mitsubishi, because without all of the people that work in Mitsubishi, we would not have been successful in our endeavours. And Mr. Tachibana here tonight. Mr. Matsui is in Japan, and Mr. Takano is in Japan, and there are many other people in Japan who have made this endeavour successful, including people from the Skylight chain of restaurants. Without them, we wouldn't be here tonight. I'd like to thank our accountant, Nathan, for helping us and steering us through precarious waters. And I would also like to extend my thanks to the people from now the business of Department of Business and Employment, because they have been instrumental in providing a grant to our company, and we were able to buy some much needed equipment which allowed us to produce a perfect cheesecake market. And also to the people from the Small Business Development Corporation in giving us advice, and also Australia for being able to assist us and steer us through, again, treacherous waters. So So thank you everyone for making this a successful venture.